Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about finding the unit digit and successive division, which is one of the subtopic under number system. So first, we need to know what is unit digit. Unit digit of a number is a number which is in ones place. For example, if it is 243, the unit digit is 3. The unit digit of 39 is 9. So if the power is a larger number, then we need to use cyclicity to find out the unit digit. So cyclicity is nothing but when we perform any certain mathematical operation, so we'll be going from smaller value or the smaller power, which we'll be able to see some specific pattern which will be followed. So we need to find out the pattern, and based on that, we can easily solve the problem. But the pattern can be of either 2 cycles or 3 cycles. The value will be repeating after either 12 cycles. So this will be useful for us to solve the problem, to find the problems based on unit digit, tenth digit, or finding the remainders, or some pattern based problems. So here we'll be seeing only about the unit digit and successive division. So now in unit digit, the unit digit can be of any numbers from 0 to 9. We are going to segregate this unit digit based on the cyclicity into 3 different groups. In group 1, we are going to have the numbers 0, 1, 5 and 6. So why we have separated this? These are all the numbers when raised to any power will give the same unit digit. For example, 0 when raised to any power will give me 0. 20 power 1998. What will be the unit digit? Since the unit digit is 0, it raised to any power, it will yield the same value. Same case for 1. 1 power anything will be 1. 5 power anything will have unit digit 5. 6 power anything will have unit digit 6, because 6 power 1 6, 6 square 36, which is unit digit is 6, 6 cube 216, again it is 6. So this, like this, we will be able to find out the pattern for any process which we perform in number system. So now in second group we have numbers 4 and 9. This 4 and 9 have 2 cycles. For example, 4 power 1 is 4, 4 square is 16, unit digit is 6, 4 cube is 64, we have unit digit is 4. So we have see the pattern 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6 like that. So we can conclude 4 power odd number will always be 4 unit digit. 4 power even number will have always unit digit 6. With the same way, we can see for 9. 9 power 1, 9. 9 square 81, which means unit digit is 1. 9 cube 729, which means the unit digit is 9. Same way, 9 power 4 will have 1. So we can say 9 power odd number will always have unit digit 9. 9 power even number will always have unit digit 1. So now we are done with 0, 1, 5, 6 and 4 and 9. So what about the third group of numbers? We have left out with 2, 3, 7 and 8. So 2, 3, 7 and 8 will go from the smaller powers to find out the pattern. So 2 power 1, 2. 2 square 4. 2 cube 8. 2 power 4, 16, which means unit digit is 6. 2 power 5, 32. You have unit digit 2. So we can clearly see the 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 5 is also 2 unit digit. So we have 4 cycles. So there are only 4 different values of unit digit we can get under the power of 2. So 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. Like this, the pattern continues. Same way for 3. 3 power 1, 3. 3 square, 9. 3 cube, 27. Unit digit 7. 3 power 4, 81. Unit digit is 1. When we have 1 here, obviously we can say that it is going to repeat after that. So there are 4 cycles for 3, which is 3, 9, 7 and 1. Same way for 7. 7 power 1 will always be 7. 7 square 49. So unit digit 9. 7 cube 343. So unit digit 3. 7 power 4 you will get 2401. So unit digit is 1. So I will also have 4 cycles 7931, 7931 and then it continues. Same process for 8. 8 power 1 is 8. 8 square 64, which is 4. 8 cube 512. So unit digit is 2. 8 power 4, so it will be a larger value, but since we need only the unit digit, just multiply this 2 by 8, we'll get 6. So we get 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, and the process continues. This is going to be 8 and not 2, so it's just a typo error. So 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, like that the process will continue. So now when we have 4 cycles, how are we going to solve the problem? Since there are 4 cycles, we cannot split it based on odd numbers and even numbers like how we did it for 4 or 9. So now when we have 4 cycles, it is evident that every multiple of 4, the unit digit will repeat. So what step we are going to follow means, we'll just take the power and divide it by 4. If it is exactly divisible, we'll just take the fourth value. Like if it is 2 power uh, something which is exactly divisible by 4, definitely my unit digit will be 6. 3 power anything that is exactly divisible by 4, it will definitely be 1. 7 power anything which is exactly divisible by 4, it will be 1. Like that the process will continue. Now, what if it is not exactly divisible? If it is not exactly divisible, then definitely we'll be having some possible remainders. So the remainders can be either 1, 2 or 3. So if the remainder is 1, we'll take the first value. If the remainder is 2, we'll take the second value. If the remainder is 3, we'll take the third value. Which means if we get 3, when the power is divided by 4, if we are getting remainder 2, we'll take the second value. If it is 7, when the power is divided by 4, we get remainder 3. So then we'll take the third value. If it is 8, when the power is divided by 4 and we get remainder 1, then we take the first value. Okay. So first we need to analyze what is the unit digit. So if we consider we are going to have the unit digit is 2, then we need to take the power and divide it by 4. So if it is exactly divisible, I'll go for fourth value. If it is not exactly divisible, we'll get possible remainders either 1, 2 or 3. So if the remainder is 1, first value. If the remainder is 2, second value. If the remainder is 3, third value. If it is 5, then it is very easy. 5 power anything will always be 5. If it is 4, then definitely I can split it based on odd power or even power. Okay, like this only we are going to split and then we need to find out the answer. So let's see some examples. So here, what is the unit digit of 35 power 87 plus 93 power 46? So first here, it is very simple. 5, we have unit digit 5. 5 power anything will always be 5. So here this unit digit is 5. So now here we have 3. So we know 3 has 4 cycles. So we need to divide this power by 4. So 46 when divided by 4 will get remainder 2. So now 46 when divided by 4 we get remainder 2. So we need to take the second value, which means 3 square value. So second value of 3, which is 9. Or we can also say it as 3 squares value. Now we know for this the unit digit is 5. For this my unit digit is 9. So 5 plus 9 will get 14. So my answer will be 4. Same way second one, what is the unit digit in the product 3 power 65 into 6 power 59 into 7 power 71? So we know 3 has 4 cycles. So the power has to be divided by 4. 65 and divided by 4, the remainder is 1. So 3 power 1 value we need to take. So 3 power 1, our first value it is 3. Then second value we have 6 power 59. 6 we know it comes under group 1. So 6 power anything will always be 6. Next we have 7 power 71. So 7 has 4 cycles. So 71 when divided by 4 we get remainder 3. So 7 cube, so we get the third value of 7. So 7 cube value will get unit digit 3. So we'll take that. So now finally multiply all the values which we have got, which is 3 into 3 into 6, which is 54. So we can say our unit digit will be 4. So like this, they can ask any questions which can be solved by using the cyclicity method. So now second case, It is successive division. Okay, it is just an easy problem. So that's why I have to add it with this unit digit. So now division, we can say that this is quotient into divisor plus remainder will give me this dividend. This will be knowing. So, but what is the difference between successive division and a normal division? Successive division means each time our dividend changes based on the quotient obtained. So we'll just take the quotient. Now here we have 16 when divided by 3, we got quotient as 5. Successive division means second step when I'm going to divide, this 5 will become my dividend. Then the 5 has to be divided by the divisor. Okay. So now we'll take an example. 540 is successively divided by 8, 6 and 4. What is their respective remainders? So first 540 is divided by 8. So 540 when divided by 8 will get 67 as our divisor, quotient, and 4 is our remainder. So now second step, and this 67 should be taken. Now the 67 should be divided by 6. So 67 when divided by 6, your quotient will be 11 and remainder is 1. So successive division means now when the third step comes, this quotient 11 has to be taken and that has to be divided by the third value which is 4. So 11 when divided by 4, your quotient will be 2 and remainder is 3. So the respective remainders will be 4, 1 and 3. So with this, the questions that can be asked is a number when successively divided by 3, 4 and 9 leaves the remainder 2, 3 and 7 respectively. So what will be the remainders if the original number is divided by 3, 5 and 7? Okay, this is a common template that can be asked and this is frequently asked questions under AMCAT questions. So now we'll assume we don't know the dividend, so we'll assume that as x. So x when divided by 3, we get remainder 2. That has different quotient, that is y. That y when divided by 4, we'll have remainder 3. That has different quotient z. That z when divided by 9, we get remainder 7. So here this quotient we don't know. So we can assume this quotient to be 1. Okay. So now if this is 1, we can find out the value of z easily. So this z value can be obtained by just multiplying this value and this value. So 1 into 9 plus the remainder 7. So z value will be 16. Okay. Now we know this value is 16. Then how to find out the value of y here? This 16 into 4 plus the remainder 3. So 16 into 4 is 64. So plus 3 will be 67. So now with that we can find out the value of x. This quotient into divisor plus remainder, the same concept. 67 into 3 plus 2 will get 203. So now we know this 203 is going to be the value of x and that we need to find out the value which when successively divided by 3, 5 and 7, what is the possible remainder. So now when 203 is divided by 3, we will get 67 as our quotient and 2 as our remainder. That 67 when divided by 5, we will get 13 as our quotient and 2 as our remainder. That 13 when divided by 7, we will get 1 as our quotient and 6 as our remainder. So the remainders will be 2, 2 and 6. 2, 2, 6. Thank you.